Well, some Mason's Vista Red Vista to show you this afternoon. A very shallow soup cup and saucer from the 1940s, 1950s. There's the lovely crown in red, Mason's traditional patent Ironstone China Vista, England, in guaranteed permanent acid resistant colours format from the 1940s, 1950s. Pie crust rim, round little soup cup with the classic Vista central block cut from the old series in the centre there. Classic vine leaf and ivy all around the outer side. Very nice low slung support arch handles, as you can see, with little flat tops. Really nicely decorated, in absolutely very good condition for Mason's Vista, the actual soup cup. Just a few little glaze cracks around the inner aspect, but otherwise very clean and in fine condition. It's saucer plate, larger than the saucers that come with the teacups, this one. So the measurements also on the central well are slightly larger to take the bigger rim on the base plate of the soup cup. Quite extensive glaze crazing on this one, as you can see. Absolutely typical of Mason's Vista, that's coming up for sort of 80-90 years old. Thermal cracking that's occurred from the thick glaze that they put on these pieces. Nice period matching Vista crown marks again on this. Rims are all in very fine condition. This pie crusting, uneven pie crusting all around the edge, characteristic of Mason's Vista. A nice set, a rare set as well. Difficult to find these for the replacement market, and if you're a Red Vista collector and you want to start putting these together, it's probably going to take you quite a while to get a decent sized set of these period Mason's Ironstone Vista soup cups and saucers. One available going on the Vintage and Antiques website this afternoon. We'll pop a link in the description below. We've got some teacups and saucers, same dates as these going on, and I think some soup plates and a few other little bits and bobs that came with this set from auction. So do follow the link if you're looking for a specific piece of Red Vista. You may be in luck on our website. Thanks for watching.